Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your LeetCode Profile Link step by step. If you want to show your coding skills, solved problems, contest ratings, badges, and overall progress to recruiters, friends, or teammates, your LeetCode profile is a great way to do it. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the LeetCode website. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the LeetCode website. You should see your profile picture or avatar. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu, select Profile. This will take you directly to your main LeetCode profile page. Here, you'll see your username along with information such as your solved problems, badges, contest rating, submissions, and other publicly available statistics. Now, make sure you're on your main profile page and not on a specific problem or submissions page. Next, go to the address bar at the top of your browser. The URL shown there is your LeetCode profile link. Click inside the address bar to highlight the entire URL. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl+C to copy the link. If you're using Mac, press Command+C. You can also right-click the highlighted URL and select Copy. Now your profile link has been copied and you can share it almost anywhere. For example, you can add your LeetCode profile to your resume, LinkedIn profile, portfolio website, job application, or email. You can also send the link directly to a recruiter, teacher, teammate, or friend. To paste the link on Windows, press Ctrl+V. On Mac, press Command+V. Before sharing the link, there's one quick thing you can check. Open a private or incognito browser window, paste your profile link, and press Enter. This allows you to confirm that the link works correctly and see what other people can view on your public profile. Also, remember that some profile information may depend on your LeetCode privacy and visibility settings. And that's it. You've successfully found, copied, and shared your LeetCode profile link. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful technology tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.